Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss the very first posts and stories from your favorite Instagram accounts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable first posts and stories alerts directly from your phone settings. This method ensures you get notified as soon as new content drops, so let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is where you control all your device's notifications and permissions. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device, making it easy to manage their individual settings. Find and tap on Instagram in the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Instagram. Once you're inside the Instagram app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can customize exactly how and when Instagram can alert you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This will show you all the different types of notifications Instagram can send, from likes and comments to more specific alerts. Under these categories, find the option labeled First Posts and Stories. This is the key setting that ensures you're among the first to know when someone you follow shares their latest update. Simply toggle this switch on. Once enabled, your phone will send you instant alerts whenever there's a new first post or story from the accounts you care about. And that's it. With these settings in place, you'll never miss a moment from your favorite creators or friends. If you want to double-check, you can always revisit these settings to make sure notifications are still enabled. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're all set to stay up to date and be the first to see what's new on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Enjoy staying connected.